In this video, I'm going to be showing you some Feng Shui tips for the bedroom to better your relationship. I'm also going to take you on a tour of my bedroom and its renovation. I'm going to show you my inspiration and the process I went through. So stay tuned because you don't want to miss it. Hi, I'm Maria Severino, the owner and founder of Milagro Interiors, and I'm a certified home stager and interior decorator. We won Diamond for the best home staging company and Diamond for the best interior decorating company. Wow, in the Mississauga Reader's Choice Awards. Super happy, thank you for voting for us. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos like this. A bedroom is the last place that everyone thinks about to renovate, but that's the place where we go to wind down at the end of the day and de-stress. Do it for yourself. This is a peace of mind. It's for your mental health. It's super important. There were a few things we wanted to do in this space. First, we wanted to apply Feng Shui, and most of our decisions were based on that. Second, we wanted to have a serene space with different lighting and soothing colors. Third, we wanted to build a walk-in closet. And fourth, we wanted another feature wall, so we decided to do paneling as we did in the entrance. If you want to see that entrance video, I'll link it here along with the description below. When we moved into this home, we didn't paint the colors of the walls. The color is red, and red is such a powerful pigment that can even provoke aggression or anger because it emits such intensity. Red is not recommended color for the bedroom. As you can see, we've fairly neglected this space. IKEA was our inspiration for the closet. We marked out the closet area with this piece of tape and then installed the closet area to make sure that when we put up the walls, it fit in there perfectly and we had enough space in the rest of the bedroom. Once the wall structure was up, we installed the drywall and it really took on its shape and our vision came to life. The closet was big enough for a walk-in, and we also added some mood lighting that was attached to a sensor at the bottom, so as you walked in, it would automatically turn on. Next, we planned the spacing for the wood paneling, and once that was spaced out and measured, we glued it to the wall. Next, we added some pot lights. This house is old and we didn't have any ceiling light. Man, what a difference this has made. We also added pendulum lighting above both nightstands. So that's one Feng Shui tip. Choose the proper lighting you want to have, a variation of lighting, and you want soft ambient lighting so it will set the mood for romance. Come here with your love, make me feel right. Your skin on my skin. Next Feng Shui tip, choose the right color. So off to Sherwin-Williams for my inspiration, and bam, there it is. So you want to choose the right color. You want to pick a warm monochromatic color scheme, not bright ones. So here I went with the yellow butterscotch. So green, teal, and blue are for wellness and vitality. Dark blue and navy is for spirituality. Gray is for support. Black is for wisdom. Purple is for prosperity. Pink and peach if you want to attract a partner. White for simplicity. And earthy, yellow, brown, and orange for balance. So we went with the earthy yellow for stability, nourishment, and grounding. Inside the closet, we felt like it was missing something. We wanted to look a little bit more elegant, so we decided to wallpaper it. So I found some pieces of wallpaper that we had hanging around, and here I am putting the wallpaper up, and it just looks fantastic. So as you can see on the right side, you can see one of the pendulum lights hanging there. It really looks really beautiful, and in the closet we painted a nice dark charcoal color. Wow, it just looks so sophisticated. It's contrasting with the nice beautiful wallpaper. Really, really love the way it turned out. So here I'm just scraping and flattening out all the bubbles and getting them out from beneath the surface of the wallpaper. I'm not going to get into too much of the instructions of wallpaper and how to put it up. But if you want to know more, let me know, comment below, and I can create a video just around how to put up wallpaper if you're interested. Ready for the transformation? Well, here it is. It looks fantastic. And another 2 Feng Shui tips: keep symmetry in mind for the bedroom. You want your relationship to be in sync, so have doubles and pairs of everything. For example, 2 nightstands, 2 lamps, etc. You want a balance. Also, another tip: no mirrors. Mirrors bounce all sorts of energy and may provide past energy and invite a third party into the relationship. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and comment on the video. That will give us more reach, and YouTube will push us out to get more visibility with more people, and we would greatly appreciate that. I hope I have inspired you today. Let me know below with a comment what you think about the video or the space, and till our next video, I'm Maria. Ciao for now.